Naughty or nice, I think you'll like this eggnog shake. Step 1, let's get some water and ice. You already know, fill this up with ice all the way to the lip. Water comes up 3/4 of the way full. 2 scoops vanilla PDM. 1 scoop cookies and cream Formula 1. 1 scoop dulce de leche Formula 1. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar-free cheesecake dry flavoring syrup mix. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Eggnog dry flavoring syrup mix, 1 teaspoon. I used the half side and I just scoop it twice. To decorate the cup, I just take some cinnamon and dust it all around the edge. Look at that. Check out how thick that shake is. It doesn't fall. If you love eggnog, you're gonna absolutely love this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share this video out to anybody who owns a nutrition club or maybe just wants to make this at home. All of the ingredients in this, except for like maybe 1 or 2 things, can be purchased through Herbalife as a preferred member or a distributor. Things like cinnamon are probably the only thing you can't. So make sure you reach out to the person who sent you this message, or you can reach out to us if you don't have a coach and let us know. We can hook you up so you can order this stuff and make it at home. You're simply